गुरुग्राम में फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल गुरुग्राम ने फिटनेस और निवारक स्वास्थ्य को बढ़ावा देने के लिए फिट गुरुग्राम अभियान शुरू किया है। फिटनेस आइकन मिलिंद सोमन इसके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनाए गए हैं। अभियान के तहत योग साइकिल रैली, फिटनेस चैलेंज, मानसिक स्वास्थ्य सत्र और हेल्थ चेकअप जैसी गतिविधियां होगी। इसका समापन 4 अक्टूबर को साइबर हब में फिट गुरुग्राम मैराथन के साथ होगा।
फिट गुरुग्राम conference has been built around. May I request Mr. Anil Vinayak, Dr. Ritu Garg, Mr. Yash Rawat and Mr. Ajay Maharaj to kindly join us at the podium for the official unveiling of the Fit Gurugram jersey. And we can have a round of applause. These jerseys and requesting a group picture, please.
The responsive extends beyond treating illnesses and helping people to remain healthy. Through Fit Gurugram, we aim to shift the narrative from reactive treatment to preventive wellness by promoting physical activity, early health awareness, and healthier lifestyle choices. We hope this community-led movement contributes to a healthier, more resilient program and serves as a meaningful model for preventive health care across India. Let's make Gurugram fit.
Lifestyle disease capital of the world. That's what we are being called now. And that's unfortunate because all of that is what leads to poorer long-term health outcomes. And we can only deal with it at a certain level through what we do in our hospitals in terms of our health requirements. And the prevention has to include all aspects. And the most important and the first aspect is physical fitness and physical activity. Of course, alongside there are other things as well, like eating right, staying stress-free, managing our mental health as well. There are various aspects to fitness. This is just our first sort of initiative to build awareness around physical activity. Over time, we hope we are looking to build awareness around all aspects of fitness and later perhaps prevention and immunization as well. So, like I said, this is the first of a series of initiatives, and we look forward to all of you joining us and endorsing this program strongly so that we are able to build a larger sort of ecosystem and awareness around this initiative. Thank you.
आप लोग इसको मैक्सिमम पब्लिसिटी दे बिकॉज वी आर टारगेटिंग मोर देन 5,000 to 6,000 people to come and participate in the first initiative. So I think it's going to be all because of you and a lot of other people who are participating here, our doctors are here, and also influencers from the running community are here. So I request everyone to promote this activity. और उसके बाद आप लोग promote करिए, especially for the media fraternity also. I request you to continue to provide kind of platforms and different channels wherever possible. So more and more people come forward to it, and this is the first initiative everybody has said, and a lot of it is supposed to come and to make sure that Gurugram becomes a fitter group. Thank you very much.
Mr. Harshad, Ms. Janvi, Ms. Gurleen, Ms. Garima, and Mr. Sanjay. And a round of applause for them, please.
छोटी सी फीस रखी है, I think close to about 300 rupees, so that people can register. And the reason उसका यही था कि our endeavor is not to earn anything out of it. As I said, is that because this is a movement for the community and by the government, and they have to really make it free because this is for the city. So sorry. Yeah, unlike and I don't want to run down on other marathons, but I'm saying there are marathons they do charge exorbitantly very high, but they run with some purpose, obviously because there's nothing wrong with that. But we purposely chose the fees to be kept very low because we think that this is the movement which has to be for the community, driven by its people.
etc. So how do you see that, I mean, the declining quality of the infrastructure? the Paris hold these events?
Unfortunately, we won't be able to comment on that much. Reason being because this becomes a more broader issue and much bigger issue. And the issue is not only of Gurgaon. I think it's the pollution remains a very deadly issue. That is also part of the development. And that can't be completely ignored. But yes, as you said, as you pointed out, this is something which I think larger, broader issue, which possibly we may not be the right people to comment on that.
तो ओवर टाइम हम लोग बाकी शहरों में भी ऐसे भाई वो फिटनेस के आइकन माने जाते हैं और उन्होंने अपने आप पे बहुत काम किया है डिसिप्लिन के साथ ओवर द ईयर्स और आई थिंक ये जनता जानती है तो इसलिए उनको हमने चूज किया क्योंकि वो बड़े अप्रोप्रिएट लगे हमें कि वो आप फिटनेस की बात करें तो सबसे पहले आप भी एक आइकन होने चाहिए और उसमें एट द एज इज एक्सट्रीमली फिट इसीलिए
I think एक दूसरा रीजन ये भी था कि इनका सबसे बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है पिंकेथॉन करके एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द कैंपेन व्हिच इज रन अक्रॉस द कंट्री एंड लास्ट ईयर we were actually the healthcare provider for his initiative across the country. So I think that was one of the reasons also because that has inclined him to participate and join hands with us to this first initiative of ours starting from Gurgaon and that is also one of the reasons.
Thank you.
से ये आता रहेगा आप देखेंगे कई इनिशिएटिव आएंगे पहला मैराथन है और भी आप वेट करेंगे तो और दिखेगा आपको बट अल्टीमेटली देखिए आप लोगों की एंगेजमेंट आपकी इंकरेजमेंट मिलेगी और आप लोगों की पार्टिसिपेशन मिलेगी तो ये एक मूवमेंट बन जाएगा फ्रॉम जस्ट एन इनिशिएटिव